Imagine a mountain covered in a sea of shimmering blue, reflecting the sun's rays like a giant mirror. This isn't a scene from a sci-fi movie, it's real and it's happening in China. While the world debates the future of renewable energy, China has transformed an entire mountain range into a massive solar power plant. So how did a country once known for its coal consumption become a leader in solar energy? China's solar revolution is nothing short of remarkable. In 2012, the country had just 3 gigawatts of solar capacity. Today, over 300 gigawatts. That's enough to power the entire United Kingdom. But it's not just about the numbers. China is pushing the boundaries of where and how we can harness solar power, and the solar mountain in Guizhou province is a prime example. Picture this: 100,000 solar panels, stretching as far as the eye can see, covering the slopes of a mountain range. This isn't just an impressive sight, it's a groundbreaking approach to renewable energy. The Guizhou Solar Mountain project is part of China's ambitious plan to become carbon neutral by 2060, and it's changing the game in more ways than one. First, let's talk about land use. In a country with over 1.4 billion people, finding space for large-scale solar farms can be challenging. By utilizing mountainous terrain that's unsuitable for agriculture or housing, China is maximizing its land resources. It's like turning unusable space into a clean energy goldmine. But the benefits don't stop there. The solar mountain also serves as a poverty alleviation project. Local farmers who once struggled to make ends meet on the harsh mountain terrain now earn steady incomes by leasing their land for the solar panels. It's a win-win situation: clean energy for the country and economic opportunities for rural communities. The project is also pushing the boundaries of solar technology. The panels are designed to withstand extreme weather conditions, from heavy rains to potential landslides. They're angled to maximize sun exposure throughout the day, ensuring optimal energy production. It's not just about quantity, it's about efficiency and resilience. However, like any major project, the solar mountain isn't without its challenges. Critics argue that large-scale solar installations can disrupt local ecosystems. There are concerns about the impact on wildlife and plant species that call these mountains home. Balancing renewable energy goals with environmental conservation is an ongoing challenge that China, like many countries, is grappling with. There's also the question of energy storage and distribution. While the solar mountain generates an impressive amount of power, getting that electricity to where it's needed most can be tricky. China is investing heavily in smart grid technology to address this, but it remains a complex issue. Despite these challenges, the Guizhou Solar Mountain represents a bold step forward in renewable energy. Yet, as a testament to China's commitment to innovation and its willingness to think big when it comes to tackling climate change, while other countries debate the feasibility of large-scale renewable projects, China is already building them. So what can the rest of the world learn from China's solar mountain? For one, it shows that with political will and innovative thinking, even seemingly impossible projects can become reality. It also highlights the potential for renewable energy projects to serve multiple purposes, from power generation to poverty alleviation. As we look to a future powered by clean energy, projects like the Guizhou Solar Mountain offer a glimpse of what's possible. They challenge us to think beyond traditional solar farms and consider how we can use our landscapes in new and innovative ways to generate power. China's solar mountain isn't just about panels on a hillside. It's about reimagining our relationship with energy in the land around us. It's about turning challenges into opportunities and pushing the boundaries of what's possible in renewable energy. As the world grapples with the urgent need to transition away from fossil fuels, China's bold experiments in solar power offer both inspiration and valuable lessons. In the end, the solar mountain of Guizhou stands as a shining example of human ingenuity and determination. It's a reminder that with vision, commitment, and innovative thinking, we can transform our world one mountain, one panel, 1 watt at a time. As we face the global challenge of climate change, projects like this give us hope that a cleaner, greener future is not just possible but already taking shape before our eyes.